Alrighty, everybody. It is August the 3rd, the first trading day of August, and we are here at 6:04 p.m., which means that the markets just opened for futures, and we are looking at the chart from today. And as we can see here from the wee hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of this was just bearish until 9:30, which is when the markets open, and we can see what happened at 9:30. The professionals came back, the hedge funds, the institutions, and look what they did. Right away, they saw opportunity and they started pumping this thing up and up and up, and all the way from 9:30 to 11, and then from 11:30 on, all the way to 2 o'clock. Around 2:30, it's kind of stayed level. The bulls were exhausted, but the bears also could not get this thing down. So it's staying right here. And at 6 o'clock, which is here, you can see what happens. There's no direction. No direction. They tried to take it up, but they got beaten down. Again, up, got beaten down. So what's going to happen here is anyone's guess. I will say that at this point, the after hours, which is now, uh, there's not going to be much volume, and this will probably stick around right here between 9:40 and 9:20. There may be some breakouts, but they'll come back. Um, and so with this chart, the way it is now, I am not going to engage in a trade. Sometimes it's best to wait and see the chart develop. If you don't have any conviction at this point, uh, there's no telling up or down. Although I think the up at this point is um, has enough resistance that this thing should come down. If it comes down, expect this to come down to like down to here, which would be a pretty good take if you can sell here and buy here. But that might take a long time. So at this point, being where we are right now, with no big moves, nobody knows what to do. Nobody has any inclination. Both bulls and bears are pretty evenly matched. Don't expect really not much to happen until maybe uh, this evening, 10, 11, 12 o'clock, midnight. You might see this thing kind of slowly etching down, and I'm expecting it to come down to right about here. And that might be the last support. And then tomorrow morning is anyone's guess. So I'm not buying, I'm not selling. I would advise just keep your hands off of uh, the buys and sells right now and maybe do something else with your time. So that's it for today, August 3rd. I will see you soon.